Me and Alex, we might be making videos of us actually riding dirt bikes and stuff soon. But if you want that to happen, subscribe and like the video. Yeah. Yeah. We'll do it. It's up on the hill. Hold up, I need to show you guys something. Look, okay. Can you see this on my car? What does that say?
Hold on.
Sub.
You know what you need to get?
What?
For your helmet, you need to get a GoPro mount and a GoPro.
Okay, I will, but I'm showing my channel. It says sub to Heath Games. So you guys do it, please.
Oh yeah, and me.
Oh yeah, his name is Alex Bird.
That's literally the basics next to
Yeah, but all you have to do, if you want to find his channel, all you have to go shut up. That wasn't me. All you have to go is go on YouTube, search Little Night Ride, and then do that. After that,
that's only one of my videos.
yeah.
If you want to see how to channel, just look at Alex Bird and you'll probably have to scroll down a little.
Yeah, and then if that doesn't work, when you just do that normal Alex Bird, just type Little Night Ride after it.
Like, that was my newest video.
Yeah, we're probably gonna make more videos together. But only if you guys like and subscribe and comment down if you want us to make more videos below. Bro, my sister will not stop talking.
Because you keep on being
Here, do you guys? Wait, I was just holding the
sticky like booby.
Shut up. I was just holding the acceleration. Can you shut up? I'm sorry. I'm tired. It's like 10 o'clock.
It's like
Oh, I found a crate, guys. I found a crate, but it's one of the freaking things. But it's up.
but it's
I'm sorry, okay? Alex is over here.
I'm gonna cut you. Oh my god.
I did. Are you recording on your video? Oh, okay, but that was funny.
It was.
I hope you got that on video.
I did. I think it might have showed a little bit of it.
Oh, come here. Zoom in on my car. Zoom in on the side.
Hold on.
That's what you guys need to do.
Oh, yeah.
And then
I need to get a car and put that on there.
yeah, then we could be matching. This is one of the barn finds.
I have the one find, I just don't have the stuff for it.
Yeah, I have every single barn find except for that last one.
You want to end this video?
Let's do a little bit longer. Us just driving around.
I don't know. That's the 6 minute on my camera.
You're gonna make me start.
I'm sorry.
It's fine.
Like and subscribe to Alex
Bird.
Yeah.
because
We do this, he's making songs for you guys.
yeah, you guys like and subscribe so we can get so we can get more food. Wee! Alex just like I think he's just eating right now. Let the man eat.
Wi-Fi.
Yours.
Oh, mine's working.
Oh no, guys, his Wi-Fi's.
It's bad.
Are you back, son?
He eating his
He don't like me. He's like, I like my food more than you right now. I think he's gone, guys. Yeah, he left the game too. I think I'm gonna have to. Oh no, he hung up. I'm so sad, guys. Okay.
That's my sister.
She's annoying.
Well, that's because they were FaceTiming on my phone.
Yeah, you need to tell her to make a YouTube channel. Yeah. Bro, she's on Snapchat. She just is that.
Don't tell her. Just ask who it was.
Don't take pictures of me. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. Upload another video. Shut up.
So mean. Look how mean he is to me, guys.
No, this is just normal life, okay? But if you want me to, can you?
Nice to this way.
So if you guys want me to make more videos, Ratatouille.
Nar.
If you guys want me to make more videos, like and subscribe and comment down below what I should do next. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video. Oh, what the heck? Oh shoot! Oh shoot!